welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today is going to be part 2 of my diamond painting stash. Please excuse the voice. I have been sicker than a dog for the past 2 weeks. I've just finally, within the last couple of days, gotten to where I can actually speak without coughing my head off. But I am still very nasally, and I am still coughing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like last time, and I am going to just show y'all what I have to music, and then this should be the last of my stash. These are going to be all my diamond paintings that are larger than a 40 by 40. And this will be budget friendly, Amazon, and premium canvases all mixed together. So I'm not going to go through and tell y'all each one that where it came from, because quite frankly, unless it's a DAC or something like that, I don't remember which one is budget friendly, which one is Amazon, and if it is a budget friendly, I don't remember which company I got it from. So again, this is not to be bragging. This is just showing, what I have after years of collecting diamond paintings and doing diamond painting. This has been since 2019, and this is now 2024. So I have accumulated quite a bit. I was, for the first 2-3 years, I was diamond painting quite frequently. I still do. I diamond paint nearly every day, but I'm not as fast as I used to be. And I used to be able to knock a diamond painting, a 30 by 40, I could knock out in a day to 2 days. And therefore, that's why I have so many, is because I was buying them. So, anyway, without further ado, I am going to start flipping through these, and then I will come back at the end of the video. So, stay tuned. Okay, so this one is from Crafty Mint, which they are no longer even in business. This one I did win several years ago as a for a Christmas giveaway. This is the image, and I won it from another creator. But it is double-sided adhesive, so I can't take this off and show it to you. But that, like I said, this is the image. So. So that is my stash of canvases. This is not counting all my completed canvases, and this is not counting my off-canvas stuff like coasters, stickers, pendants, and all that. That would have to be another video. So, like I said, I didn't want to take these out of the boxes because they're just too hard to get back in the boxes. So I figured if I showed you the picture, you'd know what they are and where they came from. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Do you have anything that I showed? I really need to be getting on some of these because some of these I have had since 2019. Like Sandy here, for instance. She was one of the very first diamond paintings I ever bought from Diamond Art Club. So, and I've had her since 2019. So, I really need to get on these. That is my goal for this year, 2024, is to work my stash. I am on a no-buy. But, of course, I do PR packages for a lot of companies. But I myself am not buying any more. But that is my goal this year, is to work on my stash, try to get some of these completed. And we'll see how well I do at the end of the year. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to try to get into this year doing some more whipping chats. I used to do them a lot. Now, I don't know. I just quit doing them, but I need to start back doing them. I enjoy them. I don't know why I quit. So, all right, anyway, before I start coughing my head off, I am going to get off here and put all of this stuff back up. And again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you check out my other YouTube channel, Scarlet's True Reviews. It's all about Amazon products, Amazon reviews. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.